At first, it didn't look like a trap. It looked like love. Someone finally saw you, listened, cared, mirrored your soul. You thought, maybe this time, it's different. But slowly, the person who once adored you started to disappear. And what replaced them was someone who made you question everything, your memory, your emotions, your worth. You felt small, confused. And no matter how much you gave, it was never enough. If that's where you are right now, if you feel torn between what you know and what you feel, this message is for you. Because getting out of a narcissistic relationship isn't just leaving a person. It's escaping a psychological and emotional maze designed to keep you trapped. This is not just about love. It's about survival. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why leaving isn't weakness, it's awakening. It often starts quietly. A conversation that doesn't add up. A lie that slips through their mask. You catch it, and for a second, you think, maybe I'm crazy. You're not. That moment, that flicker of clarity, is your nervous system remembering truth. It's the start of seeing what's really been happening. You've been conditioned, through manipulation, gaslighting, and intermittent kindness, to doubt your own reality. They trained your nervous system to depend on chaos. And when you start seeing that, when the fog starts to lift, it hurts. It's disorienting. Because now you see the person you loved isn't who you thought they were. You're not just mourning them. You're mourning the version of you who believed in them. Here's the truth that no one tells you soon enough: you're not addicted to them, you're addicted to the relief they give you after hurting you. That's the trauma bond. The push and pull. The high after the pain. It keeps you chasing moments of love that were never real. Your brain is trying to find safety in the same person who's causing the danger. It's the most confusing kind of prison, because the bars are invisible, and they're made of hope. Every "I miss you," every "I'm sorry," every breadcrumb of affection, it reignites that chemical cycle. Dopamine, cortisol, craving, relief. Repeat. But breaking free doesn't start with hating them. It starts with understanding what's happening to you. You can't heal what you still think is love. Leaving a narcissist isn't one big decision. It's 1,000 small awakenings. It's realizing their apologies are strategies. Their affection has an agenda. Their silence is punishment. So before you leave, start preparing quietly. Stop explaining yourself, they don't care to understand. Start documenting things privately. Start reconnecting with friends or family you've been isolated from. Start saving money, changing passwords, building support. You don't owe them a goodbye speech or an explanation. You owe yourself peace. They'll sense it, your energy's shifting, and they'll fight to pull you back in. They might promise therapy, tears, change. But remember, they don't miss you. They miss control over you. This is the part where your heart and brain go to war. You'll want to text them. You'll want closure. You'll want to make them understand how much they've hurt you. But they never will. Because your pain doesn't register in their world, only their power does. No contact is not punishment. It's protection. Every message, every phone call, every just checking in reopens the wound and rebonds you to the cycle. Block them. Everywhere. Delete old messages. Let the silence feel uncomfortable, because that silence is detox. You're not losing them. You're losing the illusion that you needed them. This is where most people relapse, because no one prepares you for the grief. You'll miss the person they pretended to be. You'll replay the good moments and wonder if you imagined the bad ones. You didn't. You loved deeply. And that love deserves to be honored, not erased, but redirected back to you. Grief after narcissistic abuse is sacred. It's the soul's way of cleansing everything you lost in yourself to keep that relationship alive. Let the tears come. Let the anger surface. Let the loneliness move through you. Because that's how you empty out what doesn't belong to you anymore. You can't heal what you keep romanticizing. After the chaos, silence can feel terrifying. You start to wonder, who am I now? You doubt every decision, from what to eat to who to trust. That's normal. Because for so long, you were taught that your instincts were wrong. Healing is about proving to yourself, over and over, that they were right all along. It's choosing your peace even when it feels boring. It's saying no without guilt. It's recognizing that love isn't supposed to feel like anxiety. You start slow. Little moments of self-trust, paying attention to your own needs, your body, your intuition. And one day, without realizing it, you'll notice you don't crave their validation anymore. That's when you know the bond is breaking for good. The real danger isn't leaving, it's going back. Because the moment you start doubting yourself, They'll sense it. And they'll come back with everything you once needed to hear: "I've changed. I miss you. You're the only one who ever understood me." That's not love. That's manipulation. They want to see if they can still reach you. Don't give them that access. Freedom isn't a single event, it's a daily choice. It's blocking, healing, forgiving, rebuilding, every single day. It's surrounding yourself with people who speak truth, not confusion. It's remembering that peace is not boring. It's safe. One day, you'll wake up and realize, you haven't thought about them in days. You'll laugh again, a real laugh, not the guarded one you used to have. And you'll look back not with pain, but clarity. Because you didn't just survive a relationship, you survived emotional warfare. And you came out wiser, stronger, softer in all the right places. You don't need revenge. You don't need them to understand. You just need to keep choosing yourself, again and again. You are not broken. You were manipulated. And now, you're becoming the person they tried to destroy. You don't get out of a narcissistic relationship by fighting them. You get out by returning to yourself. So if this hit deep, if you felt seen, subscribe. Because this space is for those who are done surviving and ready to start living free.